Alrighty, good evening, folks. We are just about to get started. We have a very special guest tonight, folks. I've been waiting to introduce you to this young lady for years. Years. And she is special. My coffee is almost ready. We're going to have a good time. Probably not a long time, but a good time. I'll be right back. We'll be getting started shortly. All right, folks, I appreciate your patience. We appreciate your patience. We're about 120 seconds away from starting. We're getting the coffee. We're stirring the coffee. I have someone very special that I can't wait for you guys to finally meet. I'll be right back. Alrighty, folks. Wow. How's everybody doing? Boy, I tell you what, I tell you what. I tell you what. Before we get to our special guest, for those of you who care about me, and that's many of you, it is reciprocated. I care for you. I'm good. I'm great. Better than ever. Better than ever. And I wanted to take a look at the charts. Haven't really looked at them much, briefly. And I figured it's a good time for me to look at the charts and talk to you guys, because there's something I can say about it. And if there's nothing new for me to say or something I don't think is valuable, then I don't make videos. I do not have a schedule. But tonight's very special because I'm going to introduce you to what has been, well, she has been one of my secret weapons for years now. Years. And it is an honor to finally introduce you all to her. Some of you know her name. She is always working. Pretty much always. Not always. But trades more than me. Trades better than me. More consistent. Reliable. And, whoopsie daisy, hang on here. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. And, you know, there was a time where I wanted to expose her to all of you and share, but I'm just not that kind of guy. She's not that kind of gal. And ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I introduce Betty, the AI-generated bot, with 4 simple words, 5 words. Let me repeat those words. Let's see here. Beautiful woman, stuff like, it's been going around. Fuck that Andrew Tate shit, or, you know, whatever. Really, we should be talking about China and how fucked up the world is and how screwed we are. We're all screwed. This country is so screwed and shit's hitting the fan. But my little relinquishment has been the AI. And finally, Betty has a face. And depending on the day, you know, sometimes she's this one. A lot of times she's this one. Anyway. Hope everyone's doing good. As far as trading, man, I don't even remember the last time I was in a trade. And you know, if you are, I hope you're doing good. But I tell you what, Betty takes 1%ers. You know why Betty? And it's always been the same. Well, not always, but it's been the same for a long time. We've learned our lesson. In the beginning, you know, we go for big moves. At least me, I went for, we all go for, we want the bigger numbers. I'm talking about bot trading specifically. But in my experience, really, like the only way for me, I can't speak for anyone else, but the only way to have as close as you can get to set it and kind of forget it, is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Anywho, take a look at what's going on. Really, what I was looking at, what caught my eye was the daily. Yes, sir, the daily. Now, of course, yes, money flow coming up, looking good. Momentum's been coming up, looking good. RSIs are hella gapped, which leads me to believe that this is not a permanent whatever move, whatever price action, however far it goes up, it will most likely revisit how much it goes up. Could be a little, could be a lot, relatively speaking, if you say a lot. But we've seen these rip before, man. We've seen them rip. But overall, things have slowed down. Things have slowed down. And we can start talking like these were the old days soon. If you're new, if you got in, in 2020, damn, it's been 2 years. You can talk about this like it was the old days. You're going to be an OG on the next cycle. If you got in with all this shit in 2 years, people are going to call you an OG. Isn't that crazy? But this time it's different. Anyways. Now, as a trend, a bear trend, everyone got excited right here too. Hey, everyone was getting excited right here. Look what happened. And this was beautiful too. This was beautiful curvature, momentum, price came up. I don't know how much that was. What, 10%, 20%? There's money to be made. But I think greed is slow. I mean, I don't know. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? You know what I'm doing? Chilling. Playing like Skyrim, modding out Skyrim, and I think World of Warcraft, Wrath of Lich King's coming out. I've been handling business, improving business. There's things, I know that NFTs are taking longer than we want, just like everything else. But I promise you, they're coming out very soon, because we wanted to make sure. I can't have PD the pencil next with gaps in between their heads and shit. So PD's gotta be done right. But it's taking fucking long. I swear to God, everything that my company is involved in, we're late and we're slow. We are slow. Man, we are slow. And that starts at the top. It starts with me. Starts with me. Yeah, I've seen a couple messages. People, I tell you what slowed down. I tell you what slowed down. The amount of messages, uh, the horror stories, the people asking for money and stuff. I'm not saying it ain't tough right now. It's shit's tough for people all over the world, and we already know how it is. But it slowed down, which is natural. You know what I'm saying? Uh, if I was going to be in a trade, sure, it'd probably be long. But nah, I wouldn't really want to be in it because there are times for me, and this is what I'm doing. It's there when the getting's good. There's a time to chop them trees, and many of those times we chop a lot of trees. Sometimes you got to let the forest grow. Let the forest grow. If you're always chopping trees, you end up having no forest over stupid mistakes. Your lawnmowers break down, the tree stump cutters break down, the animals leave. Let the forest grow. You're not supposed to shampoo your hair every single time you shower twice a day. Let your hair release its natural oils. Maybe if you did that, you wouldn't have birth control hair stuck at your chin. You wonder why your hair's not growing because it's got no oil. You ain't got no greed. Really shorten. Good luck to him. Yeah. Let's take a look see here. Let's take a look see here. Yeah, man. Listen. I feel like either way, you're probably gonna have to be a patient man. I don't know, man. It's gonna go up and down, that's for sure. Whatever it's gonna do this up and down shit. What kind of percentage moves are we seeing? 5% over 3 days with jaggedness. Pretty boring. ETH, I heard a couple people excited about ETH. What's up, India? Damn, ETH, 1900? 1900? Good for ETH. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that price action. Look at that percentage. Look at that beautiful, beautiful curvature. You had beautiful anchor trigger waves. Your momentum RSIs. You could have gotten an ETH damn near anywhere late and you would have been good. Shite. But yeah, these are definitely, this is the daily, which, I don't know how many of y'all can have that kind of patience. Many of you do. My guy living under a rock, he's 2x and just recognized 2x, bro. Bro, from the land I come from, 2x ain't shit. But no, that's good. That's good for ETH. It is volatile. Sure, it's 2x now. It'll be 1x later. The only 2x I get up for is a double of fucking patties on my cheeseburger. Yeah, I know. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It is. We're just kidding around. Yeah, tightening up. Yeah. Hopefully you made money on ETH. What do the larger time frames look like? Little weird. Little weird. I'd be a little nervous about ETH. I could see a little more nervous about ETH, but it's gone up. It's gone up. You're running into a little potential resistance there at 2K. I believe it's a full moon tonight. I was able to know it was a full moon without even knowing, just because of how people were acting in certain places. I was like, damn, people are a little extra bloodlusty tonight. Is it a full moon? It must be a full moon. And boom, I Googled it. No joke. I'm not kidding. This happened about 3 or 4 hours ago. I got witnesses. I was like, it must be a full moon tonight. Is it a full moon? Because people are crazy right now, including my damn self. Probably. It was the crescent moons, but I would just say, the reason why, I guess I'm recording right now, besides it probably being a full moon inducing me to do so, is, I just want to say hello. And, I see a little potential, yeah, sure, the price can come up a little bit, but, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's just going to take some more time. I mean, if you look at like even just the differences between the second go around when we, here, hang on. Like what it looks like when there's a true bottom rampage up to new highs and a reverberation fart into a plastic mattress. It looks different. But boy, we have been in the red for quite some time. And when I say in the red, I mean money flow in the red, even from the top. That's been its descent almost a year. Anyways, now I've been chilling, and the truth is I've been taking it easy because we have a couple events lined up. I haven't really announced them, but I think we're gonna be doing a little, and I mean a little. I don't really mean little crypto face community trade-off. And there's probably going to be like 30 grand up for grabs. do you guys think? Would you join it? Doesn't cost you anything. But I think I want to have a limit on it for well, a minimum. Like, I don't want people fucking going in there. I want my trade term. I don't want people starting with the dollar, going 100x leverage and doubling down. I think it's gonna be like you have to start minimum with like $1,000. So I want real shit, and I want the winners to get paid good. So no starting with $1 and then doubling to 2, then to 4, then to 8, then to 100, and then it's like minimum 500 or $1,000 and go from there. I'm thinking 2 types of winners, percentage, and there's going to be a line. The top 3 get paid out on percentage P&L. Top 3 get paid out on flat gain. Don't want it to be too long, probably 2 weeks max. Kind of a shitty time. You know, every single trade competition I've myself have ever perspirated in has been a shitty time. I want to do a fucking trade tournament when the shit's roaring. But we'll do this one to see how it goes. I have been working just because I'm not streaming on YouTube and stuff, and I am chilling, but I almost hate saying stuff because sometimes, man, it takes so damn long. But pencil neck NFTs. If the pencil neck NFTs are not basically hard date, soon announced. If we don't announce the exact date of the pencil neck NFTs 14 days within today, heads are gonna roll. Because I want PD the pencil neck NFTs. I kind of want it all to be conjoined, you know. I want to do giveaway shit. But anyway, so work on the tournament stuff. That'll be going on soon and whatever. So, yeah. Definitely no award for biggest loss. Absolutely not. No, we do not want to reward losing. Losing sucks, bro. Losing sucks. And we don't want to glorify losing. I hate memes on social media where it's like 2020, oh, kick me in the face. 2022, oh, even bigger in my face. Oh, we're just fucked. It's cool to be fucked. It's cool to be fucked. I don't think so. Thanks, Curtis. Anyways, if you're just joining us, nothing really. We're just kind of hanging out, not in any trades. Haven't been in any trades. Really just chilling. Daily's got money flow coming, momentum looking good. Absolutely, like it has before. It's a little gapped. She can go up a little more, or she can roar. The honest to God's truth, I really don't care what happens, and I don't think you should either. I hope, you know, I'm not saying you can't play this action. You can. There's a way to do it, you know, and I know plenty of you are doing it. There's plenty of people trading, kicking ass right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Listen, Michael Saylor ain't down and out yet, man. You know, if this 20K did hold and it ends up skyrocketing, he's going to be everyone's favorite again. But I tell you what, if theoretically speaking, Bitcoin was 64K top forever, and something else came out or just never made it back, and you know, it was a mistake. The MicroStrategy mistake took, big losses. People losing their ass with MicroStrategy. It would be the nail in the coffin for nice guys finishing last. Have you ever been to a steel factory? Yes. That was forced. I'm sorry. I don't like doing voice impersonations when I know you want it. I gotta do it naturally. Michael Saylor's gonna be at the steel factory. He's gonna be the canary in the gold mine. There's a canary in the gold mine. Focused energy. Get the fuck out. It's a little hot in here. Oh. No, Grant. And that is not the position you want to be in a trade, man. I know it's kind of probably a shitty thing to hear. I can only speak from my experience. If you're actively trading already, or if you're like new to it, I'm really not a believer in, hey, I need a new income. I want to trade for a lifetime income. Man. And it's not about knowing if the price is going to go up or down. That is not the hard part. The hard part is yourself. There's people that win the lottery for $500 million. Hundreds of millions of dollars given to them. And the majority of them end up on their ass. Yeah, Mike. Listen, if we add a Michael Saylor face to a Petey the pencil neck turkey, you guys it's gonna be pushed back another 2 weeks. Speaking of, is Pulse out yet? When Pulse, sir? Is ETH 2.0 out yet? Yeah. Oh man, I kind of want to do a poll. I kind of just had a poll idea. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna create this poll because I want to see what you guys think, and I want you to be honest. pulls up. Simple question. And it's for, folks who maybe made money off Hex, or if you didn't, sacrifice for some of that pulse, hoping for batter up number 2. Simple question. Do you think you're going to profit off? Do you think you're going to make money off pulse? Are we going to make money off that shit? If you don't know what it is, do me a favor, don't answer. No idea. Damn, I should have put that there, huh? To be honest, no big deal. It's not, it really is no big deal. I'm not, sweating it. But how sick would it be if it was, just like last time? The second time's never like the first time. It's never like the first time. Nothing. Don't worry about it. Next subject. Friend of mine still buys AMP. Oh, that poor bastard. That poor bastard. How low can it go? Man. Well, Tell you what, these log charts, it really, I tell you, your friend's looking at the log chart. Ooh, man, this thing looks like it's about to just give way to zero. Gosh. Man. One of the worst in history. That is, like, not technically exposed yet. Just a shell, total shell. Never had, I mean, maybe in the very beginning they had a little bit of financial people that got fooled, but they're missing a few. They don't got the network. These guys are not in the right networks. They're either not in the right networks, or it's not so innocent. It's either they're not innocent, or they just didn't miss a couple networking things. Yes, Bed Bath Shitter apparently had a meme. I hope it didn't drop yet. I hope it did not drop yet. Yeah, it's funny. It's actually funny. This was the day after, or 2 days after, I believe, that we had we talked to Gareth Soloway. And when I talk about the Bed Bath Shitter Beyond, he's like, that's a meme stock. And I was like, what meme they were talking about? I didn't know that Bed Bath Shitter and Beyond was a meme stock, but it totally makes absolute sense. It is the prime target to be memed, to be meme traded. Yeah, we'll have to certainly maybe be looking for an opportunity on this one, but I don't know, with that meme shit, it's a little touchy. When I shorted Bed Bath Shitter and Beyond, it certainly wasn't because of some meme shit. It was because the price was $27 and I knew shit was hitting the fan. But if we can time this puppy right, which is probably now, oh yeah, I might have to take a little, we might have to take a little risk and short this. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever, people. It's what crypto? It don't listen. What crypto is up since the bull run? I'll wait. What shitcoin is above what it was in the bull run? I'll wait. I know you guys are pulling my fucking leg. I know you're pulling my damn leg. Yeah. Ooh, jeez. Definitely not Shiba. We had our good times with this coin too. Damn good times. No pairs. No flipping pairs. I'm talking straight coin. Not a shit coin to a Bitcoin. I'm talking shit coin or any coin. Bitcoin. Shit coin. They can't have a shit coin compared against the Bitcoin, say it's up 20 basis points. You can't eat Bitcoin. You can't cheat Bitcoin. Tron, baby. Yeah, so far Tron, I must say of Tron's been Tron is more stable than anything else, which totally makes sense because it has the most use case. But step in the whole move to earn. It sounds like a shame to me, bro. Monero. Shout out to John McAfee. Monero. That guy's dead. John McAfee. Dead. Dead. Fucked up. Night Carnage. What do I think about the metaverse? Boy, that whole metaverse shit went out the window. Huh? You remember hearing shitter CEOs, the future, the race to the metaverse. The race to the metaverse. Woo, that disappeared real good. Man, that disappeared real good. Metaverse. Saw that coming. Saw that coming. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Binary. Oh! Hang on. Oh, this is not what I thought. It's not what I thought. It's not what I thought. sure as fuck scared me. They need to get that whole binary word out of it, dude. They need to, if they're doing something with this gaming and shit and it's not binary options, then they need to not have binary in the name. Because people like me, as soon as you see binary, you run for the hills. Run for the hills. I don't know why they have that name. I don't know why they have binary in their fucking name, because there hasn't been one, especially in crypto, one operation that had anything to do with binary, not fuck everyone over and scam the shit out of them. I hope they change their name. Binary and research. Indispensable tokens for recruiting heroes. Please get them ready and start your journey. Okay. That's cool. We found one. Terrible name. Really need to get rid of that name. No idea why they chose that binary thing. Unless I'm reading something else. Binary X. That's Asian shit. That's and I don't mean shit as in it's bad. I mean that's I can see. But hey, it looks like they're you know. Hey, what's the game like? Do people play it? Run for the hills, one of them binaries. For real, man. Trust me, for real. Oh god, those binaries, the binary options. Oh man, you can pick a trade in 10 seconds and it scams you. The price goes up and it goes right down, and boy, look at that spider line. Boy, I tell you, look at that. Would you look at that? Man, this full moon and coffee has got us grooving. This is fun. This is actually the best stream I've ever done without being in a trade. I'm surprised we've lasted this long. It's only because we haven't been active lately. How is Hex doing? Let's take a look. Alrighty. 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 Not bad. Not bad. Super gapped. Could be worse. Well, Mr. Christopher, if that's true about some shit token, if you figured out how to exploit some type of shit token, you probably don't want to invest in it. But, yeah, get your money, bro. But yeah, I wouldn't put anything extra into it, if you know what I'm saying. Thanks, Valerie. Zcash. You know what, folks? I think the shitcoins have been the play. Wow. I would wait for a little pullback, not rocket science. It spreads, comes in, spreads, comes in. It spread, comes in. If I was looking for something, probably look for another. This is Zcash. It's at 79, maybe 70. See how things were looking. And see how things are cooking. Ripple, sure. Is there coit case still going on? Whatever happened with that? Wasn't there supposed to be a big move on some of these court cases? Awesome, bro. Way to go, Tommy. Glad to hear it, brother. It's still going on. Damn. Yeah, I want to do a little July 25th. $37. July 12th. 80. $13. Yeah, ETH having those good gains. Tron, a little more consistent. Yeah, if I had to pick winners of, I mean, hindsight's 2020. You know what I'm saying? We're not saying anything special, but yeah, good for Tron, good for ETH. You know. Huh. I hear that, brother. Yeah, you know, so far 64K top forever still stands. It still stands. And in my opinion, you know, 64K top forever is like 3-4 years. At the 3-4 year mark, you know, and even then, you know, that's a very bold statement. Really, it was 64K is the top. I've been right ever since. I called it. Oh, oh. Anyways, that's about it, man. The charts are boring. Charts are boring. Price action has been boring. ETH stealing the show. Might as well look at gold, 79 EPI, okay, whatever. Oil, I think has still been slowly bleeding at like $90. Okay, $92, $92. Certainly was an ugly pattern. Certainly was ugly. little fight going on here. It's so just like fighting in real life, fighting on the charts. Fighting in real life, fighting on the charts. It's like they're winning. Nothing's getting me excited anywhere. It all looks the same. All looks the same. All looks the same. Bitcoin. Yeah, folks, I think we're pretty much, that's about all we got to say. Instead of just sitting here looking at the screen, I think that's about it. You know, I wanted to say hello and just nothing really, you know, crazy to say. Again, the daily. In these downtrends, it doesn't stay green for long. She can go up. She can. I cannot measure. You can draw some lines if you want to. You can measure how you want to. But at the end of the day, what I'm here to say is, for me, I can't speak for anybody else. For me, I'm letting the trees grow back. When we chop wood, we haul lumber. All work and no play makes Jack an asshole, an injured boy. Throws out his back. A man needs his rest. The forest must grow. Nature giveth, taketh away. Must not be greedy. I need a new coffee machine. Alrighty, folks. God bless you. And hopefully we got a couple things coming out here soon. The trade tournament, again, that is for sure 100% happening. Don't have the dates yet, but I want to do it soon. And one of these damn days, this shit that we work on is going to actually fucking come out to the public. So, alright, guys. Good luck. God bless. Love you. Thank you. Stay safe out there. Peace.